Welcome back to Maths Online class. I am your Maths teacher Mr. CP Barrett, and here we have started that chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. It is for the class 9th. Okay. Actually, I have solved only 2-3 questions. That's why I am adding this particular lecture, and it is the last lecture of your chapter. Things are same, all the things are same, no any new things. Same thing I have to do again. But again, we are taking some more practice exercises so that you will become very much habitual with the things. And again, same things are there. No need to explain more. What is the question number first? Here you can see, locate the following points. These are the points which I have to locate on the Cartesian plane. Whenever you are doing, when you are doing it. So actually, these all the things you have to do in the graph paper. Still, what is the main thing? You have to just take the scaling is very much important. Whatever the scale that I have selected, I am able to write down here. Always you have to choose the scale. See here, you have to choose the scale. Actually you have to choose the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to x unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Both for the x and y axis. Both for the x axis, both for the y axis, you have to choose this particular scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And after that, things are same. Again, I will do the same thing. I am going to rub this particular thing. Okay, right now see, these are the, we have to locate this particular points. Okay, here in the Cartesian plane. We are knowing that what is the sign convention for this 4 quadrant. This is the quadrant number first. This is going to be the quadrant number second. This is going to be the quadrant number third. This is going to be the quadrant number 4. Sign convention for the first quadrant is plus plus. Sign convention for the second quadrant is minus plus, because the x coordinate is going to be negative, y coordinate is positive. Sign convention for the third quadrant is minus minus, because it is enclosed by the negative y axis and negative x axis both. And the fourth quadrant, you can say it is enclosed by the positive x axis and negative y axis, so the sign convention will be plus minus. That we are knowing. Right now see, nothing else. Again I am going to rub this. Right now see, directly we are coming to the question. What is the first point? Minus 3, 7. Minus 3 for the x coordinate, 7 is the y coordinate. So minus 3 means this. Minus 3, 7. What is the location of this particular point? Directly we have to think. The location will be in the second quadrant. Nothing else. X coordinate means what? Distance from the y axis. Distance from the y axis minus 3. This is the x coordinate. For the x coordinate, we have to go horizontally in the x or x dash, and for the y coordinates, we have to go vertically. Okay, nothing else. This is the minus 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the location? You can see the location of the point will be, this is the minus 7 and this is the 3. With the help of the scale we have to do it. Right now I am doing it directly with the help of the hand, but you have to take the help of the scale or rulers. So this is the location of the point minus 3 and 7. After that we have to rub this particular dotted line. What is the location of second point? 0 and minus 3.5. Again you can see 0 means x coordinate, it is going to be 0. X coordinate, it is going to be 0. If the x coordinate is 0, meaning is that that particular point, that particular coordinates, it will be present in the y axis. Okay, so the x coordinate quadrant is 0. So location of this particular coordinates, it will be in the y axis. So x is 0, no problem. What is the y quadrant? Minus 3.5. Minus 3.5 means either we have to go in the positive y direction or negative y direction. In the negative y direction means we have to move downwards. So we have to search wherever is minus 3.5. So definitely minus 3.5 will be present in between minus 3 and minus 4. So this is the point. You can say this point will represent the 0 and minus 3.5. Things are clear to you. This is the point, and it will be present in the negative y axis. OY dash. Okay. Right now see the third point, minus 1, minus 3. Both the negative coordinates are there. X coordinate is also negative, y coordinate is also negative. Meaning is that it location will be in the third quadrant. So minus 1 from the x coordinate, minus 3 from the y coordinate. So see the location. This is the minus 1 and this is the minus 3. So this is the point minus 1 and minus 3. So in this way we have to do it with the help of the scale. I am rubbing the dotted lines so that you will not be confused. Right now see the next point. 4, 4 both are positive. 4, 4 both are positive, meaning is that this particular coordinates, it is present in the x, it is present in the first quadrant. Coordinates, it is present in the first quadrant. Why? Because the x coordinate, y coordinate both are going to be positive. 4 and 4. So this is the x quadrant 4 and this is the y quadrant 4. So we have to just with the help of dotted lines we can do it. So this is the location of 4 and 4. After that we have to rub this. Right now see what is the next point. Last point 2 minus 3. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, meaning is that this particular coordinates, it is present in the fourth quadrant, because the fourth quadrant, it is always represented by positive x axis and negative y axis. Positive x coordinate and negative y coordinate. Okay, 2 minus 3. So this is the 2 and this is the minus 3. Right now see this particular point I can write down here 0 minus 3.5. So 2 and minus 3, this is 2 and minus 3 is this. So this is the location of 2 minus 3. You can understand? Right now I am rubbing the things. So this is the location of 2 minus 3. This is the location of 0 minus 3.5. This is the location of minus 1 minus 3. This is the location of 4 4 and this is the location of minus 3 and 7. So right now the things is over. Question number first is going to be finished. Right now come to the second question. Again same category question. Locate these particular points on the Cartesian plane. So actually question are fixed. Only what kind of the question may be asked to you? Either locate some particular points in the Cartesian plane. Otherwise some common question may be asked. What is the abscissa? The coordinates are given to you. What is the abscissa? Coordinates are given to you. What is the ordinate? Otherwise some other questions. Okay, what is the abscissa? What is the ordinate? Locate some particular points on the Cartesian plane. Only these are the questions only. Okay, no so many categories, no so many varieties are there. Right now see minus 3 and 5. Again x coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is positive. So it is going to be located in the second quadrant. Okay, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive, minus 3 and 5. Search. This is the minus 3 and this is the 5. So again we have to make this particular dotted line. You can see this is the location of minus 3 and 5. This is the location of minus 3 and 5. That you can understand. Okay. Right now see the next thing. Next point is 0 5. X coordinate is 0. If the x coordinate is 0, meaning is that that particular coordinate, it is situated in the y axis. It is directly situated in the y axis because the x coordinate, it is going to be 0. So see what is the x coordinate? 0. But what is the y coordinate? Positive 5. So we have to search only the 5 in the positive y direction. So this will represent the 0 5 and it is always present in the y axis. Okay, if the x coordinate is 0. Right now see the next point 2 and 5. Both are positive, 2 and 5. So it is present definitely in the first quadrant. Search in the first quadrant what is the x coordinate? 2. What is the y coordinate? 5. So in this way we have to make the dotted lines, you can see. And this is going to be the location of 2 and 5. After that rub this nicely. This is the location of 2 and 5. Now what is the next point? Again 6 1. Again both are positive. X coordinate also, y coordinate also. Definitely it is going to be present in the first quadrant. 6 and 1. 6 is the x coordinate. So search the 6. This is the 6. What is the 1? This is the 1 for y coordinate. So see here, this is the dotted line for the 1 y coordinate. This is the dotted line for the x coordinate, that is 6. This is going to be the location of 6 and 1. After that rub these all the dotted lines nicely. This point will represent the 6 and 1. It is present in the first quadrant. Right now see the next point 5 0. 5 0 means y coordinate is 0. If the y coordinate is 0, so that particular coordinates, it is present in the always in the x axis. Opposite case of the this. If the x coordinate is 0, so it is present in the y axis. If the y coordinate is 0, so it will be present in the x axis. You can see y coordinate is going to be 0. And what is the x coordinate? 5. So directly search 5. So it is present in the positive x axis direction. So directly search 5. This is the 5. So actually this particular point will represent the 5 and 0. you can dark it afterwards. Right now see what is the next point. What is the next point? Actually the next point is minus 3 and 4. Actually the next point is minus 3 and 4. So see here, this is the minus 3 and this is the 4. Again same process we have to do. Again it is going to be in the second quadrant. So this is minus 3 and 4. Afterwards you can rub it. So right now things, if the things are not looking nicely, no problem at all. But I think you have understood well, and that was the main motto behind. That was the main motto behind it. Right now, see, things are very much clear. Coordinate geometry, very easy topic. Nothing, all the things you have studied already in the 8th class. So nothing you have to do. It is going to be the bonus chapter for you. Without revision, without any kind of the things, only you have to little work only in the theory portion, and after that questions are very far easy. So you have to practice, no problem at all. Till then, all the best. Thank you so much.